to take me home. I know who places you will be from. Closing time.
Change
wish I was special. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I was young and knew everything. She a punk who rarely ever took advice. Now I'm guilt-stricken, sobbing with my head on the floor. Stopping baby's breath and a shoe full of rice now. Can't be held responsible. She was touching her face. I won't be held responsible. She fell in love in the first place. For the life of me, I cannot remember the latest thing that we
dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
easier than dealing with the pain. Call you up in the middle of the night, like a firefly without a light. You were there like a blowtorch burning. I was a key that could use a little turning. So tired that I couldn't even sleep. So many secrets I couldn't keep. I promised myself I wouldn't leave. But one more promise I couldn't keep. It seems no one can help me now. I'm in too deep, there's no way out. This time I have really led myself astray. Runaway train, never going back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Seems like I should be getting somewhere. Somehow I'm neither here nor there. Can you help me remember how to smile? Make it somehow all seem worthwhile. How on earth did I get so jaded? Life's mystery seems so faded. I can go when no one else can go. I know when no one else knows. Here I am, just a drowning in the rain, with a ticket for a runaway train, and everything seems cut and dry. Day and night, earth and sky. Somehow I just don't believe it. Runaway train, never going back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Seems like I should be getting somewhere. Somehow I'm neither here nor there. Bought a ticket for a runaway train, like a madman laughing at the rain. A little out of touch, little insane. It's just easier than dealing with the pain. Now you got me crawling on the floor. And I never known a girl like you before. I'm so happy 'cause today found my friends in my head. I'm so ugly, that's okay, 'cause so are you. Look on this Sunday morning, it's every day for all I care. And I'm not scared, light my candles in our days, 'cause I found God.
I've known a few guys who thought they were pretty smart, but you've got being right down to an art. You think you're a genius, you drive me up the wall. You're regular, original, know it all. Oh, you think you're special. Oh, you think you're something else. Okay, so you're Brad Pitt. That don't impress me much. So you got the looks, but have you got the touch? Now don't get me wrong, yeah, I think you're alright, but that won't keep me warm in the middle of the night.
Nothing so loud as hearing when we lie. Truth is not kind, and you said neither am I. And the air outside so soft, saying everything, everything. All I want is to feel this way, to be this close, feel the same. All I want is to feel this way. The evening speaks, feel it say. Nothing so cold, closing the heart when all we need is to free the soul. But we wouldn't be that brave, I know. And the air outside so soft, confessing everything, everything. All I want is to feel this way, to be this close, feel the same. All I want is to feel this way. The evening speaks, feel life, but now we're sinking in the past. Whatever lives on me. Well, baby, I don't wanna take advice from fools. I'll just figure everything is cool until I hear it from you. It gets hard, the memory's faded. Who gets what they say? It's likely they're just jealous and jaded. Well, maybe I don't wanna take advice from fools. I just figure everything is cool until I hear it from you. Until I hear it from you. I can't let it get me up or break up my train of thought. As far as I know, nothing's wrong until I hear it from you. Bite my tongue, and I won't say a word against anyone, but I don't want to get my fingers wet unless it's an accident. I fell out in the street, now I'm watching the shoes and I grit my teeth, but I don't have to look that way if I had half a say. It's about time. It's about time. Lick my lips, and I won't hear the end of this. On your knees and reassurance, buy some time and come back for it. Before long, before it's gone. Patience is like bread, I say. I ran out of that yesterday. It's about time. It's about time. By a jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No. When I feel heavy metal, and I feel that I need when I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. When I was young, it's not my problem. It's not mine. She's got a cigarette on each arm. She's got the lily white cavity crazes. She's got a carburetor tied to the moon. Pink eyes looking to the fruit of the ages. She's alone in the new pollution.
waiting for a crash, or a flowing skirt is blowing in a transcendental wind, and she wonders without knowing, where did we begin? Mary Moon, she's a vegetarian. Mary Moon, Mary Moon, Mary Moon will outlive all the septuagenarians. Mary Moon, Mary Moon, oh, she loves me so she hates to be alone. Don't eat meat, but sure like the bone. You know she drives a wooden car. How does she like it? It doesn't get her far. Why she doesn't bike it? But it gets her to where she's going. I don't know, I don't know where that is. Wish I knew. Don't know where she's going and I don't know where she's been. All I know that loving her has gotta be a sin. Mary Moon, she's a vegetarian. Mary Moon, Mary Moon, Mary Moon will outlive all the septuagenarians. Mary Moon, Mary Moon, oh, she loves me so she hates to be alone. Don't eat meat, but you sure like the bone.